Boys are so cute. Are you eating some snacks together? We're getting ready to go to bed. But they decided to get a little midnight snack together. I love how Oliver always sticks his little paw in there and gets a few pieces out at a time. They love to eat together. Their bowls of food stay out 24/7. And they have 2 bowls of food upstairs and 1 in the basement. But they love to all eat together. Normally if you see one at a bowl, there's at least another one with them. And sometimes you get to see all 3 of them. Are you hungry? You hungry, boys? Yeah. Little cuties.